Experience the ultimate convenience with dumpster rental in Winter Haven, Florida, from Britt's Dumpster Rentals. Our fast, reliable service ensures your project stays on track with minimal disruption. From home cleanouts to large construction jobs, Britt's Dumpster Rentals has a range of dumpster sizes to suit your project. We take the hassle out of waste management with easy scheduling, timely deliveries, and pickups, making maintaining a clean, efficient worksite simple. At Britt's Dumpster Rentals, we're committed to your satisfaction. You can trust us to ensure a smooth and eco-friendly process. Our flexible rental periods allow you to keep the dumpster for as long as your project requires, allowing you to work at your own pace. Homeowners and contractors rely on Britt's Dumpster Rentals for waste management. Our dedication to reliable service and environmental responsibility makes us the top choice in Winter Haven, Florida. Ready to get started? Call Britt's Dumpster Rentals today at 863-949-6974 or visit www.nextdaydumpsterrentals.com. Dumpster Rental Winter Haven FL to experience the best dumpster rental services. Choose Britt's Dumpster Rentals and let us handle your waste management needs so you can focus on what matters most, completing your project quickly and efficiently.